Hello everybody, welcome to the Center for Muscle Therapy, where we transform the negative physical and mental postures that create disease. We do this through massage, we also do it through lifestyle coaching. Today what I'm going to focus on is what I like to say to my patients is get your head straight first. That fundamentally to every origin of disease, there is a rudimentary cause that for me boils down to where our emotions could be. So when we have any kind of stress in our life, usually there's some level of anxiety, depression, some anger, resentment. I mean, there's just this cocktail of emotions that we're experiencing. And that creates a cocktail response in our physiology too. So if our physiology has been disturbed and we're experiencing physical symptoms, you can almost bet your bottom dollar that there's going to be an emotional root to some, if not all, of the diseases that we're experiencing. Anyway, where I'm getting to here today is talking to you about the benefit of meditation. For me, I've been doing this for a number of years now, and meditation very much is a mental tool that trains your mind for dealing with and combating those daily emotions that come up. And who knows what's coming around the corner next? As we know, we read the news on a daily basis, and we think that that's a distant far land away, but we never know how that might directly impact us in the local community, in our local neighborhood, and with our family directly. Meditation is a number one tool that really helps to focus the mind. And if you focus your mind, your physiology immediately starts to follow. The better you become at doing this, the more relaxed, the quicker, and the more relaxed you can generate in your mind, and your physiology, your physical body will immediately start to follow too. What I'm going to teach you today is one of my favorite meditations. It's suitable for anybody who's getting into meditation, and even if you're an advanced meditator. I've been doing this for 12 years and it's still one of my favorite ones to actually use. It's called black and white breathing. Black and white breathing. Now when we meditate, we're always trying to focus our mind on a particular object. The object that we're using today is simply our breath. So let's get into it. What I encourage you to do when you're going to meditate is to sit in a relaxed, upright posture. I try to close my eyes. You can leave the eyes slightly open if you wish, but I choose to close my eyes completely. I place my hands into this position. My left hand is on the bottom, my right hand on the top, and the two thumbs are touching. As I'm meditating, if I feel that my hands have dropped or my thumbs have relaxed, then I know my mind has become distracted. So just keeping that upright posture with the thumbs can help keep our mind focused too. From there, all we're going to do is sit in an upright posture. Imagine there's a piece of string from the ceiling that's pulling us upright and relaxed. Important that you do this in a seated position. Unless you're using this meditation to get yourself to sleep, then you can certainly lay back and relax. But the purpose of good meditation is to train your mind. It's difficult to train your mind once you've fallen asleep. So let's get into this meditation. Join me. Now, as you start this meditation, you'll become even more aware of perhaps some noises that are in the room where you are right now. If they are creating a large distraction to you, then certainly either go to a different space, shut off that noise, or maybe the timing could be part of the issue. Nevertheless, either try to focus your mind despite that external distraction, or remove that distraction. And now what I'd like you to focus upon is the experiences you're having with each inward breath. Drawing the air through your nostrils, you should notice that slightly cool air travels to the back of your throat, down through your windpipe, into your lungs. The lungs expand, chest slightly raises, belly expands, And as you breathe out, the reverse happens. The belly falls, draws inward. The rib cage depresses and pushes the air back in reverse from the lungs through the windpipe, back of the throat, and out through the nostrils. Notice as it leaves, a slight warmth to the air. And we're just going to spend 2 minutes repeating that contemplation. Just do it inside your own mind. I will help narrate it, but it's important that you start to learn to guide your own mind if meditation is going to be successful. Just do a mental check. Notice where your mind focuses. If it's remained upon the breath, perfect. If it's not, then just gently guide it back. Contemplate once again the experiences you have with each inward and outward breath. And now we can imagine with each inward breath, we're drawing in beautiful white light. And this white light can represent healing, happiness, inner peace, contentment, anything that is soothing, relaxing. We imagine as we draw inward now this bright white light draws in through our nostrils, following the same pathway as before with our breath into our lungs. Only this time, as it reaches our lungs, we imagine this exchange that takes place. This white light becomes part of our blood cells, which travel from our heart to all parts of our body. And we imagine this white light starts to gradually pervade our body from the top of our head to the tips of our toes, breath by breath. And similarly, as we exhale, we imagine a black smoke that's gathered at the center of our heart. And this can represent all the toxins, dis-ease, negativity, pain and suffering, mentally and physically, that we may be experiencing or have experienced. We imagine with each outward breath, we are releasing this black smoke out through our nostrils. And as it leaves our body, it just dissolves into space completely disappearing. And we continue on with this contemplation, drawing in the white light, healing our body, pervading our body, and releasing this black smoke of toxic, negative waste that we no longer need to hold on to. Releasing our physical and mental pain. In exchange, our mind starts to experience more clarity, inner peace, a true cause of happiness. We'll continue this meditation for another 2 minutes. But you can make this meditation as long as you like. The important thing is, for whatever duration you commit yourself to try to remain single-pointedly on the experience of inner peace that comes through this contemplation. Just guide your mind and enjoy this inner experience. If you have the experience of inner peace arising in your mind, just try to remain single-pointedly on this experience. If you do not yet have this experience, just continue with the contemplation and this visualization. White light drawn in, pervading your body, relaxing, soothing, healing, and black smoke leaving the body. Eventually, black smoke is completely eliminated from the body and mind, and all that remains, a sense of inner peace. And then remain on that experience for the duration of your meditation. We'll do one last minute and complete the meditation. I always encourage a dedication at the end of a good meditation like this. May everyone be happy. May everyone be free from misery. May no one ever be separated from their happiness. May everyone have equanimity, free from hatred and attachment. And just in your own time, slowly just come back to the room that you're in. The goal after a meditation is to try to then maintain that experience. And we do that through mindfulness. Mindfulness is recalling the experience that we had, how peaceful we felt, how happy we felt, and then we go about our daily business. Our daily business. Who is this meditation for? It's for anybody who wants to do it. I encourage young children, I encourage certainly all adults to embrace good meditation. We can make it as small as just even a 1-minute meditation. The longest I've ever gone for is 20 to 30 minute kind of meditation. Certainly people do longer. All depends on our busy lives, how much time we can dedicate. Ultimately, beyond just meditating in a formal setting like we've just done, our goal is to accomplish this beautiful state of mind called mindfulness, where we're able to recall what it is that we experience within our meditation. So that even though we're not sat formally in meditation, we can observe our mind and catch it off guard before we engage in something that's perhaps not so friendly towards other people. Hope this has been of benefit to you. Subscribe to YouTube, follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and I'll be posting more videos here pretty soon. And go out there and try this meditation and share it with as many people as you can. There's a lot to be benefited. Thank you.